Hey guys, Karthik Ramni here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hellobar in your pages. So what is an Hellobar? A Hellobar can be a great way to greet new guests coming to your website. Either they might be the first time visitors or you can also engage your returning visitors. So what is a Hellobar? So it's commonly a floating bar that sits on the top of your page or the bottom of your page. And why do you need to use it? You get great, interactions when you use these sticky hello bar. There are a lot of different use cases. You can use this to drive scarcity. You can use this to make an announcement. You can do a special deal. You can even use it to collect leads. The use cases are endless. So this hello bar would grab your user's attention. That's the key. And we've used it in the past, and we've seen our conversions increase when we had used a hello bar with a timer because of the scarcity. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right. So just a second, guys. All right. I come in here and I go to components. So you can see that this is our event page, right? So here we've added two sections so that it's easier for you. One is hello bar and the other one is hello bar with a timer. So let me just show you both of these. First, let me start with hello bar with a timer. So I just take these and then I drop it here. So as you can see, I have a beautiful, floating hello bar with a, call to action headline, and then I have a timer, and then I have a call to action button, right? So it could be like, price increases in, and then I can come to this timer and then I can set the time. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So go in here in the countdown timer. You can select the end date and time. Let's say if there is going to be a price increase in 2 days, I'm just going to do that. All right. And then this is for the Indian customer. So the time zone can be in IST. All right. Okay. Let me just pick that. And on expiration, you can do a series of things. It can be do nothing. I can even hide the timer if you want. This is going to be hidden, or I can redirect to the URL. So I'm just going to say hide the timer. All right. I'm just going to come out of here, and then so you basically, the first step is, you drag the hello bar under the section components. And then you can, change any of the style settings. If you want to change the background color of the hello bar, you can do that as well. Let me do this. Here you can change the background color. This is the color it's selected, right? You can change it to any color that you want. Now, so if you want to, change the style of the button, every one of these individual elements, already know how to do it. So we've combined everything and, given it to you in a single component. Like you come in here, go to components. We've added two sections. If you want a hello bar with a timer or just a hello bar. All right. Let me save this. Before that, you can do the mobile thing as well to make sure it looks good in mobile. We've tested it. By default, it's gonna look great in mobile. So you just save this, and then once you publish this, all right, let me just give it a minute. All right, now I'm just gonna hit on publish. Let me open the published URL, right? So it's publishing. So just it's gonna get published in like 2 minutes. Let's just wait for that. But guys, I've seen hello bar, even in every one of the launches that I do, I always have a hello bar with a timer on the top or at the bottom, and I make it sticky. All right, so that, let me refresh this. Let's see if this is published. Not yet, right? Okay, here we go. So you can see that as you scroll through the page, right, the hello bar stays, which means like it is giving something really important information. That the information is the price is going to increase in 1 day, 10 hours, right? That's the information. So one other thing that you can do is I also have I mean, it's up to you. You can even have these hello bar. Instead of the header, you can have it on the footer. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. Click here, and then instead of, you go to sticky, and instead of on top, you select on bottom. All right. And then you can directly publish that. And this page is getting published again. So it's going to be published in less than a minute, hopefully. Then this timer would the whole sticky bar would come on the bottom. I've used it on the top and bottom as well, depending on what you want to do with it, like make an announcement or drive scarcity. You can have multiple use cases. All right. Now you can see that every one of my page I have this scarcity hello bar timer. All right, so it's a cool thing. Do use it on on your pages, if and you would definitely notice an increase in conversions. Do let me know if you have any questions. Do reach out to the support desk. So we've when we decided that we wanted a hello bar, we were really excited and we wanted to come up with this. All right, guys. Cheers. Karthik Ramani signing off.